upstanding.
I don't think I got enough. No, I'll just leave
Yeah. She's fun. She's got so much life in her, man. You gotta have fun with her, huh?
Yeah.
That's cool. We'll have to put this on the internet and give it to you.
It said the bloopers will be. Stand up! There's still a lot of people with those paddles now, huh?
Yeah, there are a lot more all the time. That's great.